Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about Stokes Theorem. So now I will show you the technique. The formula in this situation, that's about triple integrals. We need to find the curl of vector f, and we have the dot product between negative 3 of first derivative of s, and we have negative 3 first derivative of y, and number 1 dx. So we need to find 3 of s y. That's about this one in here. First derivative of 3s, you got about negative number 1. First derivative of 3y, that's about 2y. Now let's go to find curls of vector f. That's about this one. That should be about the matrix I, J, and K. So we have d over ds, d over dy, and d over dz, and we have d, q, and r in here. So we put s, y for z and 6y. Now we go to vector I in here. So that should be about the matrix, about this one in here. This one multiply with this one, and this one multiply with this one. So you got about d over dy, 6y, and we have minus d over dz, 4z. In this situation, you got about 6 minus 4, and you got about 2i. Now let's go to vector trait, because in this situation we got about negative in here. D over ds, d over dz, s, y, 6y. In this situation we don't have s for this one, and we don't have z for this one. So in this situation you got about trait, that's about negative number 0 in here. Next, the last one, that should be this one. This one multiply with this one, and this one multiply with this one. So you got about negative s of vector k. And now we can find the curl of vector f. That should be about 2, 0, and negative s. So we put everything in here. So we got about number 1 negative 2y and number 1. So we have number 2 go to number 1, 0 to negative 2y and negative s with number 1. So we got about 2 minus s dA. Next we have the circle in here, so we can change about polar coordinates. S we got about r cosine theta, and dA we can change about r dr d theta. So we got about from 0 to number 3 because the radius in here is about 3. From 0 to 2b because they go one circle. And we have number 2 minus r cosine theta, and we got about r dr d theta. We calculate about this one, and you got about this one go in here, go in here. So in this situation you got about r square minus r square over 2 cosine theta, and we have the boundaries from 0 to number 3. We put number 3 in here, and we got about 9 minus 9 over 2 cosine theta. We put 2b in here and here, number 0 in here and here, and we got about 18b. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.